Love TAARE Mantra. Miraculous Love Mantra. 100% works. Wanna manifest your soulmate, or have issues in love, marriage and relationship? Then this is for you. Mantra, Om TAARE, Tam SOHA. This mantra belongs to Goddess Red TAARE, a mother of love and relationships. Steps: make clear about your love wish. Only one wish at once. Chant or write this mantra 108 times. Scripting is even more powerful. Take a journal and red pen. Make a couple of small circles, and write your wish only within it. In the remaining space, write Red TAARE mantra at least 108 times. Repeat the above process every day for 21 days. Wind it up with thank you universe. Best time, early morning or before bed, but it can be any time whenever you feel good and positive. Share it with others who need it. Save for later.